Hi, I'm going to share two more decisions that I made in my life. One was, you know, I, as I shared in previous videos, I'd made the decision to stay alive, I'd made the decision to get out of bed every morning, and I'd made the decision to put one foot in front of the other and keep going and doing the next thing, whatever the next thing was right in front of me. And so the next thing that I overcame with the decision was, as I was going along the best that I could, things would happen that would be obstacles. Things, I would lose something, or something would break, or something, I didn't have the money, or I would have a huge disappointment, or I would have a lot of pain in something, or whatever it was. Seemed like whatever my plans weren't turning out because there's usually something that happened get in the way. Something, somebody, some circumstance. And at first I was weak and I took that as a reason, well, I'm just stopping. Whatever, I'll do something else. But it was a sign to me to not do that thing because something big, bad happened, or something got in the way that was too hard. And so to me that felt like a sign that I shouldn't go forward. And I was incorrect. At one point, it was actually a very specific experience, but I did lose something. I'd been writing a book, this was many years ago, and I lost everything I'd written. And it was very horrible for me because you can't rewrite. When you pour your heart out, you can't rewrite. And I felt so defeated by that. And after I'd done my temper tantrum and cried, and I asked myself, is this going to be what stops me? Is this going to stop me? Because I guess it was the first time that I cared about something so much that I became willing to ask that question. And the answer is no. And here's the decision I made. If something is valuable to me, and in this case, it's working on my new businesses and committing to my wealth and my new life and being an entrepreneur, that's valuable to me. It's right. And so there is no obstacle that is going to stop me. Because anything that seems like it's going to stop me, I will ask that question. Is this what is going to stop me? And the answer is no. If there's something I don't know how to do, like I don't have the skills for it yet, is that what's going to stop me? No. Am I afraid of something? Am I afraid to do this? Is my fear going to be what stops me? No, I won't allow that anymore. Anything. You can fill in the blank with anything. And that seems to take me away from my goals or the life I want to live. And if it seems like it's going to take me away, I stop and ask the question, is that what going to stop me? And if I've already decided on a course, or it's important and valuable to me, it's worth my time, worth my life, worth my effort, then nothing's going to stop me. Okay? Whatever that is not what is going to stop me. And so then the next decision becomes, if that's not what's going to stop me, then how can I accomplish this? What conditions can I create? If it's not the way I expected or wanted to happen my way, what am I going to do? If it's something I don't know, how am I going to learn it? If it's something that I'm afraid of, how am I going to get some skills to talk myself through my fear, or just find my guts somewhere? Or if it's a problem like losing all the material of that book, what I actually was able to do in that instance was find somebody who was really good, a specialist in data recovery. She was able to recover data off my computer that I could not do for myself. She did it for me, and I paid her a lot of money. But it was worth the money to me because the outcome was so precious to me. It was so valuable to me. So in that case, I actually paid money. That was my way. Other things, I don't have money for everything, so I have to find When I don't have money for everything, I find the other way that doesn't include money. Um, Although I'm willing to invest money as well, but I'm still not, I still have to make other decisions around it. But I try not to say, oh, I can't do this because of money. I try to say, how can I do this when I don't have money? How can I accomplish the same thing in another way? And so I'm always asking myself those two questions, and their decisions too, because making decision to find a way and to make a way and to not let anything be an obstacle. If the direction you're going is that important, if it's valuable to you, if it's something that you love, whatever it is, if it's sacred even, then nothing should be stopping you. The obstacles are not obstacles. The only obstacle is you, and then you get to work with yourself to get new skills or find a new way or get a new emotion or find whatever you need to learn or get or change anything. And then that will keep you going. So I learned to make those decisions, and so now there are no obstacles in my life. I figure it out. That's what I do. And I'll see you next time.